Hi, I'm Rich, I'm from Woodpeckers Workshop. I'm based here in Essex. I currently am in construction. I've got a successful building company, basically doing high-end finished projects. My woodworking journey began on Canvey Island in Essex, and it was my granddad. He always, from a very, very young age, was in his workshop, pottering around, using as many tools as I was allowed to, always pushing what I should be doing. But yeah, it was my granddad, and he always said, make yourself useful. So by being useful, you'll always have a purpose. My workshop space is special to me. It gives me an area to go, my own zone. I can get away no matter how bad the day's been, whatever you've got going on in life, and it's just literally a sanctuary for me. I love the fact that Axminster is a family company, British based. I didn't know at the time, but looking at the reviews were good, but it's the customer service. Anyone can supply a product, but it's how you back it up after. For me, Axminster ticked all the boxes, and I'm very, very happy with my selection.
From our workshop to yours, we share your passion.